We're going to go inside. I don't know what it looks like because Rusty just unloaded our food and stuff. Here's our wood-burning stove. We put that in. The original floor, we took all the carpet out. Rusty and Doug put in the cabinets. And a new stove. Not quite done yet, but almost. And this is where we eat. And you can see some people on the street outside, maybe. Yep. And this is an old hutch they left. It has the old flour mill inside, and kind of nice. We haven't done anything to this room yet. But you can see and hear the river across the street when we eat. Back around here, we have to bring up our own water at this point. Rusty's workbench, and you can see clear through to the bathroom because that hasn't been done yet. That's an incinerating toilet right there. The front of that fireplace, an original stone, and living room. Bookshelf and stuff. Kind of a neat coffee table I found on Craigslist.